What's up, fam? This your man Bobby Washington, producer, singer, songwriter, also filmmaker, and this is my vlog channel. I should have did the unboxing. My wife is taking the box out right now. I should have did the unboxing, but I just thought, hey, let me pull up my camera and show people how to do this, because I couldn't find a video online that actually showed how to put this thing together. This thing comes flattened, like long and skinny, and this cover comes off and separate and it's folded. So you have to actually slide this thing over the top part, the skinny part, until it all the way, like kind of like a pillowcase over a pillow. You put it all the way over it, and then once you put it on it, you're gonna take the big end and go on the ground and press down until it opens up like a balloon, and you're gonna see a long clamp, a long piece of metal. It's about maybe 2 feet long inside of here. That's where you're gonna push down and lock it to the clamp that's on the bottom down here. So that's how you got to make it blow up, because I couldn't find a video to show me how to make it blow up, and that was an issue. So now once you do that, you're gonna, of course, Velcro it to make it Velcro it down to the Velcro straps here to make it secured. You just want to make sure these seams are kind of lined up with the thing there. You can just kind of slide over with your hand to make them, if you want to make them all lined up and stuff. So once that's on, then this, I'm going to show you, this is a lever here. You can actually, to take it off, you flip it, you pull it back and you turn it counterclockwise. And to put it on, it has 3 different connectors, 1, 2, and 3. On that side, you just slide it into the light and turn it clockwise, and this thing is gonna lock. Once it locks, it's locked. And to take it off, you do the same thing. You hold it and you twist it counterclockwise to take it off. And that's pretty much that, And of course, you have the app. You have to go ahead and download the app. I think the administrative password for the Wi-Fi is GVM_admin. So download the app if you want to control it with the app on the phone. Of course, you can control it back here with these knobs as well. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, straight to the point. I just wanted to pretty much show you how to, tell you how to do it. I wish I could have showed you, but I already put it together. I don't feel like taking it apart. But when you get it, it's going to be flat and skinny. It's going to be in this long skinny bag right here, like a tripod bag or something. It's going to be skinny, folded down, and all you got to do is slide it over, slide this white thing over that skinny metal frame, and push down on the big side, and it's gonna blow up like a balloon. You're gonna clamp it down to that clamp in the middle of it. So look inside in the hole where the clamp is when you're pushing it down. All right, and that's it. Please subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. All right, thank you.